Hey, are you tired of having your wobbly and shaky footage ruin your video masterpiece? Well, I got just the right thing for you. We're going to be diving into the world of mobile stabilizer kits. This magical gadget will turn your jittery shots into movie making masterpieces for all vloggers alike. So stick around. This is GG Tech and it's coming up right now. Okay, so we got here the actual smartphone video cage rig kit from Neewer. We're going to go ahead and open this up. And we got some pieces here to go over. Neewer strap. Got your instruction manual here. Here's the instruction manual for the rig itself. Got another Neewer strap. A Neewer bag here. Put and store all your items in. Here's your microphone clamp. Show tripod from Neewer. And we're going to be assembling all of this. I believe here we have the actual mic windproof. Here we go. The microphone. Put this on the side. Here's your jacks for the microphone and the camera. So far, so good. Got all the actual items here. USB. And we're going to take a look at the actual rig itself and all the rest of the items right now. Pull this out. So we got the handheld rig. Make sure everything's stabilized. Here you go. So this fits various universal phones sizes, okay? And it'll handle up to an actual S22 Ultra, which is what we're filming on right now. So you have a lot of space, right, for various phone types. Just very sturdy. Very sturdy from Neewer. We also have mounts. You'll notice they're just everywhere, right? And it feels really, really good. Really strong too as well. And you'll notice there more hole mounts, right? In order to place various other devices, like we're going to take a look at now, the lighting and the microphone. Okay, so we'll put this on the side. So here's the actual lighting itself. It's a PL81 light with casing on it too. So we're gonna have a look and review that and provide you all the information as well for it. And put this on the side. And I would think that we got everything covered because this would be the microphone. And there it is. There we go. So far so good. Like I mentioned before, we got all the items here. And now we're going to go ahead and assemble it. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at the tripod first. Now it has rubber grips just at the tip, so it keeps the tripod very sturdy. Doesn't move. That's perfect. You have your swivel head. Okay. We're going to go ahead and get the actual rig. Now the actual rig itself, as I mentioned, it has the holes on the top and on the sides. So you can go ahead and place it either vertical, okay, or horizontal. And we'll go ahead and just place it horizontal for this purpose here. Okay. So now you have a knob right here. Okay, just to go ahead and tighten it up. Just based on your own preference, of course, right? So I'll try to get it even as possible. There we go. And you can always adjust it just in case, right? You'll see that I mentioned, right? You just want to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay. And then you can go ahead and loosen it up here. So there we are. Okay. Now, the next thing we're going to go ahead and put on, okay, is I'll show you the light. I'll put this on the side for a moment. Here's the PL81 light. Take it out of the casing so you can see. So it charges via USB. Okay. This is already somewhat charged, so go ahead and but you can see there, right? And it's pretty bright. You can go ahead and see there that it's got more of a yellow tint right now. And you can go ahead and white balance it as well. That's beautiful. And again, right, you can dim the light as well. It doesn't have to be too bright. Okay, we'll start with the light itself first. Spin this around. And again, cold shoe mounts, right? So it'll attach perfectly right there. Okay, it's already tightened up. And here's the clamp for the microphone. Spin it around. The cold shoe mounts. Okay, so I'll show you again. And then collapse this so you can go ahead and, again, right? You go from stationary to mobile in a blink of an eye. We'll set this back down again. Now stick around because I want to show you a few other features that this great gadget has. Okay. We're going to go ahead and take the actual microphone. Now the microphone, like I mentioned, it comes with this buffer windscreen. Okay. You can take that off. Okay. And here's the other windscreen. And there it is. And go ahead just gently, right? Place that right over. Okay. So I'm going to bring it back in to view here. Okay. Now you got the actual spring loaded, okay, for your mobile device. Okay. It's got padding on the insides. Okay. So you'll notice it's very smooth. Okay. In terms of the actual phone itself, okay, it does allow you various phones, okay, that you can use with this. Now, we have that came with the actual kit. You got your 3.5 millimeter jack, okay, for your microphone that will attach to your phone. And you also got one for your camera. And these straps are included just so you can go ahead and strap the cabling down to the actual rig itself. Okay, so you have cable management as well. You have a remote control, Bluetooth, okay? that you can go ahead and hook up to the actual phone or camera. So you can click on off an actual picture, okay? Or begin video recording. Okay, so we have an S10 here. I'm gonna go ahead and place it on the rig. So you can see here it's spring loaded. And there it is. Okay, so one tip I wanted to provide with the rig itself, we'll bring it back into view here. Now, you'll notice on the back, okay, I'm going to flip it over. With the S10, it's fine, the 3.5 millimeter jack. Now, if you find yourself that you may have maybe a more updated phone, you may require an actual adapter, okay? So please keep that in mind. For example, the S22 Ultra, you'll need an adapter, okay, to hook up the mic on the back, and then yeah, you're good to go, okay? This here also allows you to bring the device, down or up, whether you're filming horizontal or vertical. Okay, and about the actual light, it has 4 LED indicators for battery charging, okay? Now the battery itself, it's gonna last about 4 hours on 100% full lighting, okay, or brightness, peak brightness. And you can recharge the battery in 3.5 hours. So you can hook up the USB to your PC, portable charger, or portable USB adapter. So the full rig retails for approximately $75 Canadian via Amazon. You get the Mini Pro mic, PL81 light. You get the rig and the tripod. Just great value. Great value. And currently right now on Neewer, the rig is sold out, but you can pick that up on Amazon. So remember guys, hit that like, subscribe button, and we'll see you shortly with another great video. You take care. Have a wonderful day. Stay awesome as always.